In the previous movie, I showed you how to create a map using a two-column table in Power View for Excel 2013. In this movie, I will show you how to create a similar map, but this time for a three-column table. I will use the multiseries sample file, which you can find in the Chapter 12 folder of your exercise files archive. This table contains three columns. The first is the state, the second is the department, and the third is the number of orders for that department for that state. So rather than just having state names and a number of orders, this table will have that data broken down by department as well. So let me show you what happens. First, I click the table to make sure it's active, and then on the Design tab, click Map. After you click Map, the map control appears, and you can resize the control so that everything appears within it. And you can see that stretching or resizing the control changed the zoom level. You can zoom in or out using your mouse's scroll wheel. In this case, scrolling up moves in, and scrolling out zooms out. This data collection tracks sales for 5 states, and the size of the circle within the border of each of those states indicates the relative amount of orders that originated from there. So Virginia had the most, followed by West Virginia, then probably Tennessee, North Carolina, and Kentucky. And you notice that when I hover the mouse pointer over one of the pie charts, it expands and it indicates the number of orders for a particular department. So if I hover over the purple, for Kentucky, I see that there were 258 orders. Over the blue for balance, it's 80. Red for dance is 41. Orange for play is 58. And green for sport is 176. And you can see the same thing for the other states as well. One interesting thing to note is that if you zoom out, the pie charts appear to get larger, and if you zoom in, the pie charts get smaller. I'm not sure why that choice was made, but don't be surprised if you see it. It is acting as it's supposed to.